Hello everyone, my name is Stacy, this is Minecraft, and I've got another exciting idea about how to create a better life. My question to you today is, what do you expect? Think about that question. What do you expect out of life? What do you expect from your relationships? What do you expect your finances to look like? What are you expecting in life? Oftentimes we go through life kind of meandering, really with no expectations, and oftentimes not even with desires. But I'm encouraging you to raise your frequency to a positive expectation. And that means rather than expecting challenge or frustration or more problems, I want you to change your thinking and change your attitude about life, that you're going to expect every ounce of good that can happen in life to happen to you. Now that may be an extreme perspective for some of you, but I want you to play with the idea. Today is going to be a fantastic day. Tomorrow is going to be a fantastic day. The project that I'm working on, when I get in front of those people and I demonstrate and share my project, that it's going to be absolutely incredible. They're going to love it. They're going to try to buy it. They're going to want it. Every day we need to wake up and create positive expectations for tomorrow. I happen to be in the car business as well. I sell Chevrolets, and one of the things that is necessary for a salesperson is that you wake up with a positive expectation. You see, because we face so much rejection and so many no's, 70-80% of our everyday are rejection and no. And so we have to train our minds that the no's aren't real, that we can still achieve yeses. And we have to tell ourselves that today I'm going to get a yes. Today I'm going to hear good news. Today I'm going to accomplish my goal. Today I'm going to increase my income. Today I'm going to be a better salesperson. Today I'm going to be a strong closer. You have to begin to set the mark for expectations of good. And so rather than, again, telling you what to do, I'm asking you to assess your power of expectation. Are you expecting the good or are you expecting the bad? On any given moment, at any given time, if you catch yourself expecting the bad, change your mind and begin to think about what good could come out of this situation. I'm just simply trying to keep you positive, folks. There's too many things that are going on in the world that can take your joy, that can steal your positive energy. But you have to be in control of your mind. And one of the best ways to do that is to expect good. Tomorrow, we're all getting good news. I want you to expect it, receive it, accept it, look for it. I promise you, it will be waiting for you. This is Stacy with Minecraft, and I'm just trying to keep the world positive through positive expectations.